So you've just received your floor map stencil and you're ready to get started. In this video, we'll walk you through the installation process step by step to ensure a successful install. But before we get started, you want to make sure that you have gone through all the instructions and documents provided. Next, we would recommend you to remove the panels from the boxes and lay them flat. This allows gravity to help flatten them since they were rolled for shipping. Now we can begin. Step 1. Inspect and clean your surface. Remove any dust, dirt, or debris using a vacuum, broom, microfiber cloth, or scrubber. Skipping this step can lead to inconsistent color, poor adhesion, and a finish that won't last. It is also important to note that the surface must be completely dry before installing your stencil. Step 2. Find and mark your starting point. Use a tape measure, chalk line, or pencil to mark your starting point. Step 3. Secure and stabilize the stencil. Once your stencil is positioned correctly, secure it with painter's tape. For large panels over 3 feet, such as what's shown here, we're going to be using the book spine method. By placing a strip of tape down the center of the stencil, then additional strips across each side, it helps to keep everything aligned during your install. Step 4. Peel the backing paper. Fold 1/2 of the stencil over the stabilizing tape so the backing paper is facing you. Starting at the corners, slowly peel the backing paper away by pulling it back flat at a 180-degree angle. Step 5. Cut away the backing paper. Once the backing paper has been peeled back, use scissors to trim it away. Cut in a straight line at least 1 inch away from the design. Before moving on, quickly check that the exposed surface is still clean and free of dust. Step 6. Apply the stencil. Carefully lower the stencil onto the surface. Having a second person hold the loose section just above the floor while you apply it really helps for large panels. Keep the stencil slightly tight, but don't stretch it or let the adhesive touch the floor until you're ready. Use a squeegee to press the stencil down, starting at the center tape and working outward towards the edges. Use short, straight strokes instead of long sweeping motions to help prevent bubbles and wrinkles. Step 7. Remove the transfer tape. After the stencil has been fully applied, slowly remove the transfer tape. Pull it back against itself at a sharp 180-degree angle. Avoid pulling straight up as this can lift the stencil. Step 8. Mask and protect the area. Protect the surrounding surface before applying your stain, dye, paint, or coating. Make sure all edges are firmly pressed down to help prevent bleed through. Step 9. Apply your medium. Before we begin, make sure to test your product on the sample piece provided by FLOORMAPS. Make sure it's compatible with the stencil material and follow the manufacturer's application instructions. You are now ready to apply your stain, dye, paint, coating, or other approved medium. Step 10. Remove the stencil and finish. Once your coating reaches the recommended stage for removal, slowly peel the stencil away from the surface. Work in small sections if needed. If you notice any areas that need touching up, use a fine brush to make those final corrections. And that's it. From prep to finish, you've transformed concrete into something you'll be proud of. Thanks for choosing FLOORMAPS. We've got you covered.